I go finish him.
Are you ready for the operation?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey! Mimi, na be this? Yes, ma. Mimi, this one of you want me not Goliath. Mima, no worry, be David of our time.
I lie.
Why you? Who caused you? You came and beat my sister. Who beat you?
Jesus!
Yeah! Mimi! Ah! Mimi was at the family.
No one, your family will come meet you for up there way.
What's up, my people on a day? It's OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Please, guys, make sure to stick to the very end because I believe this video contains the best of comedy compilation, like the best you've ever seen. So make sure you watch to the very end, and if you're yet to subscribe, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Drop nice comments, guys. It's very, very necessary. And share this video. So don't play my people. Let's go have some fun.
Congratulations, my man.
Thank you so much.
I'm happy for you.
I said, I buy 2 plots, I begin build small.
Nice one.
See them. Small land where I buy village food don't come.
Mazi, who is that?
Small congratulations where you show me na village food don't come. That's my auntie.
Village people can fast.
But I fast past them. Come on there, they see you. Come on there.
Village people can fast.
Come on there. Man, no flog. I'm alone in the head and I come outside. Fast. You and Juju every time. Go for a walk, idiot.
Limau! This guy said, God watching pastors across the world.
God didn't come in my life to secure my convenience. That he comes into our lives and often his will is disrupted.
USA.
And when it is disruptive, sometimes it feels destructive. And you wonder in your, oh my God, are you killing me? When in fact, God is preparing you for something bigger than yourself.
Gabriel!
Father.
Michael!
Father.
Which of you used my phone to call this person?
None of us, sir. None of us, Father.
Nobody call him. It is well. Another country.
You mock me and you make fun of me. I will teach you.
Jesus. I see.
Lion is the strongest among the beasts of the field, and no power from Peter Pan stand before you. And he turned out from any. Look at the wicked spirit from Peter Pan. He could not.
Hey, I see you. Hey, Namaste, you do this one. Nasboi, you know where? You know where I thought. Voila.
Father, should we blow the trumpet?
Trumpet, okay?
Not yet. I am a merciful God.
Abi?
Michael,
Father.
shake their national grid. You don't make mistakes, shake our own, oh. Let there be light.
Shina, you say, let there be light. They don't collect money for the light.
See, relationship will just start 2 days. You don't be like say me and you don't date since 2 years.
Now it's love now. We love ourselves. Baby, you don't even ask me what I want from a man in a relationship.
Oh, baby, don't blame me. Love don't carry me, girl.
I want for you.
Baby, now what do you want from man?
The man that can be giving me princess treatment.
A small matana.
I want a man that can be giving me at least money twice in a week. I want a man that can be carrying me to vacation to different any country I want at all. Carry me to that country. A man that can be buying me different kinds of hair. I like hair. I don't joke with hair. Then I want a man that can be giving me food at least 8 times in a day. Baby, I love food.
Madam,
I dey eat oh. Like in the morning, if you give me breakfast in bed. If I go to the gym, you give me food. In the afternoon, give me food. In the middle of the afternoon, you give me food. Then in the evening, you give me food. Then in the night, you give me food. Then in the midnight.
The middle of the night.
Sorry, my love. My phone, the ring, make I pick up. Hello? Okay, you don't reach. Okay, they come. Baby girl, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise! Oh my God!
So let's go outside. Eh? Surprise!
Oh my God!
So good.
Baby,
I don't trust this Rufous. Rufous, I don't trust you.
Surprise!
Mpa!
What are you doing here?
Mpa. No be even that or daddy. With all these things where they list. I think say na dad, you go dey call your papa. All those things where you dey find wetin man go do for you. See the only man for this world wey fit do am for you. So go meet am make him do am for you.
Babe. Who go see them at?
Brodda, your babe just returned from a Korea game.
Oh babe. Why is your face like this? Are you angry with me?
Like this thing doesn't make sense now.
What's that?
Why go use for coming manpower, knock you, you go dey play Candy Crush, dey chop chewing-gum.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
Oh, you don't understand, Abi? You don't understand. Since when you came back from Equatorial Guinea, you have been behaving somehow. Like, I don't...
Hey, Bantas! Hola.
Hola.
Hola, cariño, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien.
Qué bueno es tu hombre ahí contigo.
Sí.
¿Puede él entendernos?
De nada.
Entonces, ¿cuándo regresarías para nuestro próximo proyecto empresarial?
Mañana.
Está bien, nos vemos pronto.
Sí.
Babe, is it that your business partner from Guinea that is that money?
Yes, he's the one.
Wow. That man is so kind and generous.
You don't know who they call her?
Babe,
Nakademus.
I'm traveling tomorrow to Guinea for a business appointment.
What? You just came back yesterday. I mean, this is the 7th time you're going this week. You have been going and coming and going. I don't even like the way you're...
Jesus.
Babe, in case of any business deals, put me on.
Even if not kitchen, she be for back for you. And now I want to start cooking.
Sir, good afternoon. I don't greet you before. I don't tell you I come to obey my brother. When I bring and I make with the go house, eh?
Who you come to be?
Officer, you don't get sense. Hey! Sorry. I don't tell you before. I see that my brother I come back.
Okay, beg you don't do, eh? See this afternoon, they get pepper body. You just carry, waka come here, come they talk anyhow for police station. All these children of nowadays, they're not raised unaware.
I don't tell two of them. I came to obey my brother Chinedu. Bring him out, let us go home.
Then they ask you which of the Chinedu you want bail. Because we get two Chinedu inside this cell. Now Chinedu 1 and be na Chinedu 2. Which one you want bail? Wait, make I go call them, make I know the one where you want bail, whether na the Chinedu 2 or be Chinedu 1. Make I go call them. That's why they talk anyhow. You call police station, come they rap your mouth, they talk anyhow. You know they respect officers. Okay, what is that, sir?
Okay, sir, leave that thing. You know say be fine woman. If I see you outside, I'm supposed to tell you something, you go hear me.
I won't blame you now. See you. Don't do like Yahoo guy with this 2 ring, baby. I know say this ring na fake ring.
Me, Yahoo.
Okay, I'm gonna waka fast. Come here, you stand there. You go the other side, you shift small.
Gina, it can't let though. We didn't keep you for house now. After I give my grandma come on. You?
Oh, wait,
hey! Firstly, I don't tell you, I don't want you. This land, Papa give me before you die. I don't want you. Come on, this land though.
But Chinedu, now lie. Now me and you, Papa, give this land. Only you want to go sell and only you want to chop the money. See, make I tell you, I know come on for this land. Me and you go dig a man. What going to open because it's my elder brother?
I don't tell you, I don't want you. I go show you something though.
Okay, I say which of the Chinedu you want? But this one, I've been at this one. Open my talk. Now why they look me like moron like that?
Just I beg you, I beg. Just give me some, I just snack. Since morning I never feel high. Just I just dinner. I feel transcend. I like
normally I need to take my market pay. I need to sell credit, but you know be another person. I don't buy on credit from those people. I need to give returns. But take hold on, sha. This one a Canada, this one a Colos. If you take and you go mad, you hear me so. I just want me you hide there on good conduct. I don't call you for my money. I need to take my business play. You hear me?
Eat mama.
But when I go still call you because I know say you they come through for me. I don't come through for you now. If you still come through for me, now so life be.
Oh my dealer. Oh my dealer. Girl, you need somebody will go hold you tight.
No need to advise this guy today. Don't go like this.
Well, the next question is Enya, you know saying I don't ask all the relationship questions. The next question when you go ask Nana how many pikin you want born? How you take no? Me, even the scripture said it. All I know, doing what I know. I did put that money to Tupa.
In case you want to ask me how many children I'm going to give to you, although I've not experienced it, they told me it's painful. I'm thinking 2 is okay.
2 is fine. 2 is fine. Well, actually, the question I wanted to ask you was, when was your last relationship?
Oh.
I don't chop out. And he changed the question, but no panic. Maintain your steez. Tell us in a 1 year.
The last guy broke my heart like 12 years ago. And since then, I've been celibate.
Jay!
Waiting for the right man. Aww.
President of the street. Ambassador of the ghetto.
You know, there's something about you. To see guess where they keep to themselves, then they knock here. Not connection, no.
Can say that again.
But I thank God for meeting you.
Mommy, which kind of parrot be this one? Your husband there as they tell me say make I help and do it. I even calm down, say help and do it. Your picking there they tell me make I watch. You're not being supposed to watch this.
Husband.
Which kind of nonsense with this one now? I don't understand.
Wait. What?
Mommy, want this small girl.
Hey!
Want this your picking? No? Which kind of nonsense with this one now? This girl not they see me finish. We be mate. I never this small girl watch me. They talk to me anyhow. See, I go break her leg.
Wait. Excuse me. Mommy. Who be your mama? We on that, Papa.
Yes.
What? How old are you?
10.
Wait. You say you did celibate for the past 12 years? Celibate? What are we celebrating? What is going on here?
Hey, Mama Stars, which kind of nonsense be this one? See, all these your children, you need to warn them. See, you know what I go give them? Backhand! Yes! Grab them here! Okay, man, give up big one. Especially this one. I go hustle. Come back. All this idiot go dey stress me.
Excuse me, sir. I beg no vex, I did not know that she's your wife. If I know, they go make me there with her.
Which person wife? Now me be our first son.
Jesus!
Lord of Jesus.
I'm tired.
How old are you, bro?
By next month I'll complete 38.
Even will be born you.
Hey!
I think you say you be 27.
You know, actually, I born her before them born me.
So that not for
the boy.
Clap up for Jesus. Clap up for Jesus.
Mama, a papa. Now you dey. Your pikin dey there. Kata don put the nose. Take it don close. Why mama why carry your pikin? The dress. You want point 36 state sugar up and down. You take they drink beer.
Wait. You're a breastfeeding mother.
He's a breastfeeding and a breastfeeder.
Hey! Akara.
Jesus Christ. Idiot. Not giggy.
What have I done?
My boy, wait. Waiting be that. See, so many hours we don't the waka, we don't the trek. We don't cross rivers, cross forest, the waka. You say you won't help me, you won't help me.
I tell you, say we dey go evil forest. This man now, where you won't collect this power now? If this man give you this power, all those people they look down on you. Papa, come now. Waiting like they give you na correct. You know, say you don't cast for that your location. You know, you never cast.
I don't cast. All people don't know that be fake. Now why I listen to you?
Now waiting like they tell you. Once you see this man,
Why
you finish?
My juju go the work.
Your juju go the work. Excellent. The first person, that person, I go like me use that juju for that person. Will be say now him they cast you for that your village. Once you don't use that juju for them. Now him now go the as he the gossip the tell people you say before it fake. I say go the gossip the tell people say.
Mama, I swear I don't refund money tire. And this thing that I never make one. Now also police. Yeah,
the one where they beat you. No, the other time I come hospital, I see you. I say nearly one of your face.
I don't go.
You say why you go collect 2 million from person? Tell her say you go travel outside country.
Jordan the doctor no run.
You just calm down.
No
issue. You understand?
I beg where they go here? I need this make the work.
He go the work. I go like.
You know, say very doctor don't they enter this our industry? Don't they call us out?
But calm down. I go like.
Relax, this is no work. Relax, Relax,
Who they go?
I beg.
Calm down.
Baba, we don't come.
Now welcome. What time you go do for now?
You? No be there.
No be there. Do turn.
360. Turn.
Baba turn. See us here.
Okay.
The Baba we don't go meet.
Let's put the call first of all.
So what you want now? Man, do for this man now. In a fake. Okay, in a fake. And Juju know the work. I tell him say I get Abinu guns. He never. When I tell her I get Abinu guns, he no believe. Say Abinu they do this their kind of work. Talk through.
So I don't believe him. Great turn, you know, see us. I want to see person problem.
No, in the CEO.
Okay.
See, look inside her.
No,
how many years were you done there for this work, sir?
Eh?
How many years were you done there for this work?
15 years old.
And counting.
Now.
You know, Sabi anything. You carry and come for the right place, yeah?
You want me you give him me in Juju.
This I do that on the crazy. Why can't this improve on my way? Which part you want you talk?
I know you saw this guy in get power. So
silence.
Me not like
okay.
Me not.
This guy's so good.
No man. Sorry sir.
I
mean, sorry, Baba. Okay, Mama, you there? I swear.
I talk.
Yes. Tell them your problems. Tell them what thing carry you come.
Okay. Man. First of November, which color we are first?
You're black now.
Yeah? I don't say this man, don't say anything.
My rap they make girls shout wah chihuahua. No. My flows they make man shout wah chihuahua. Open mouth wow. Let go beast. I eat the beats. You can call me Akin the beat. Guy, I'm bad. Don't worry, I'm bad.
Let's have it.
I don't see where you finally use your talent well. What is up? You get one street rapping competition with day, and the winner they go home with 20 million naira.
20 million naira?
Yes.
For this time?
Yes.
They know me, the best rapper of all time. Singing, making, rigging,
Don't they worry yourself. Save this energy for that day. But the issue with the guy say to raise that at 2 million.
2 million?
Yes.
Chai, you won't get 2 million. I know what to do.
I know what to do.
Come. Uncle, please just give me this money now. The money is 2 million naira. Give it to me. Take that piece of land that my father left to me before he died. I want to use that money to change my musical career.
Can't you channel this into something else? Must it be music every time? Do you know how much we've given you over time, even before your father died? Look, Papa. I'm going to give you that money, but don't go and squander it in something that you will not come back again and tell me, Uncle, this one happened, that one happened, though. I don't want to know where you are going, but wherever it is you are going this time around, let it be the last bus stop, Olu Papa. And I'm not saying, I will give it to you. I have your account details, I will send it to you. Anything you want to do, this is the last chance.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. You will not disappoint you, sir.
That's how they continue to talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the monthly rap competition. I remain your host, Nduka. Please put your hands together for a wonderful sound. You all know that this is a competition we do at the end of every month to discover new talent in the street. This month's competition, we're having only 2 contestants, and the winner will be going home with the sum of 20 million naira. And our sponsor had decided to add a brand new car from Yankee Import, which is one of the best car dealing brand in Nigeria. Guess what? Yankee Import cars from UK and US. Once you make a deposit of 70%, in 4 to 5 weeks, they bring your car into Nigeria, you balance up 30% and the car is yours. Trust me, their car is durable, high quality, and so sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to reach out to Yankee Import, call the number on the screen or reach them on Instagram. If you know you're happy, make some noise!
I don't take style do advert.
Ladies and gentlemen, our first contestant is a very phenomenal artist, a spontaneous rapper, a creative rapper, a king in the music industry. They call him Olu Papa. He's the king of rap in the South, the king of Rumokoro, the #1 in Rumokoro flyover. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Olu Papa. Singing and making and rigging and making and boo. Akila mama, kill papa, kill everything boo. Forget about my culture. Rap is my culture. I need rap a vulture. Ooh, amateur.
No, see opponent.
Ladies and gentlemen. gentlemen, I told you Olopapa was going to blow your mind. The next contestant is the greatest of all time. He doesn't need the money, he doesn't need the car, he doesn't need the fame. I don't know why he's here, but he wants to show love to people in the streets. Ladies and gentlemen, he's the best, he's the biggest to ever do it. Lasgidi tested, Port Harcourt tested, Abuja tested, UK tested. He's undisputed, he has been gratified, he has been certified in the rap game. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, make some noise for the wave of the moment, Webzadi, aka Dandizi. Not lie. Dandizi for this competition. Not lie. Dandizi don't be part of this competition. Dandizi don't be part of the competition at grassroots. I don't go get
Yeah, I come with the investor flow. If you copy Sabinus, who want battle with Dandizi, you be like say you sabi lose. But your papa and your mama go chop them like a father, go scatter on your head, it go be like you be like scammer. Waves that they don't come, all the haters to one man, they scatter their body in beats, it be like Nama, they come around the corner like say I become mad, the thing they sweet like say when your bunny, they chop the shawarma, see now waves that be this. Anybody wish you shot, he go miss. This freestyle be like saying a new release, who be that? Gonna me be this, waves that when I freestyle, you know say I know they miss, waves that one time.
I didn't know something. I why you rap finish?
I said it. He's nothing to write home about. He's still losing on home soil. It's quite unfortunate. Biggie the boo. Won't we get about? I've bought your land.
Baba don't lose.
Funny Ima. Mimi what's up now? Uncle do me for dear. What Uncle show you? Yeah. No, then I make the street. No me that the call. Funny Ima. AKA Biker 01. Makurako. Mimi so he get my picture. Yeah. He get my picture for our street. You play for yeah. Papa, now we take a call.
Open door, now wait enough.
You know what today? I'm gonna finish him.
Are you ready for the operation?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Jesus!
Jesus! Hey! Mimi, now you be this. Yes, man. Mimi, this one of you won't be not Goliath. Emmanuel will be David of our time.
I lie.
Why you? Who caused you? You came and beat my sister. Who beat you?
Jesus!
Baby! Baby! Was I the family?
No one, your family will come meet you for up there with me.
Was and your blood to the heart.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Move man! Sorry, yo. Enjoy your weekend.
Cause you
Yes, sir. Here's your mission.
No, I told you that our first date I was for you.
I'm telling you, I really enjoyed myself.
Come on, my friend. What are you putting here?
That's your mission.
157,000 for chips and chicken. How much is full chicken?
You want to take a sir?
We just met my parents and I need to take something home for them.
Okay, no problem. Go and bring payment here. Yeah.
It's a pity for you.
Who are you talking to?
Babe, no one, it's just my mom.
Your mom?
Yes, babe. Just
or your other man?
it's my mom.
Let me see.
It's my mom, babe.
Let me see.
What's going on here?
Who is this?
Babe, it's just a friend I can explain.
Who is this?
Babe, relax. We are in public.
I'm talking to you. That's what I do for you.
Rubbish.
You know, sister.
Hope you're good, ma. Don't worry, ma. This is on the house, ma.
Oh my God!
This is on the house. You can do your own now.
Why did you order take away for your parents? You are.
Oh my God!
Oh, your God kill you.
Hey, Shaggy!
Hold up.
Chinedu slap him. Cash up here.
Hospital. Please. Hospital.
I'm so in love with you. Look at this useless guy.
He's not even supposed to be there at this point.
Ah!
Nepa.
Nepa.
This when something you go on the gym.
I don't have for you.
Off for touch now for.
I don't have for my generator now. Tinubu economy reach your side.
Just say you don't have money. You are not who take a picture of Tinubu generation yourself. Now I don't want none of them come they hide under now. You not get money again. Go say Tinubu. Who broke Tinubu?
Don't suffer.
Admit that you are not no taker so that people can help you. Admit it.
Make admit that you no taker.
Okay, rest.
Make admit that you no taker.
I say make you rest. Make you help her for meet you.
I don't want to rest. I know they see in my
Wait. Calm down, relax. I get plan. You go walk.
Coach, just you go walk.
You go walk. Believe me. Let me tell you. You go walk. Go.
Mutra.
You go walk. Mama, you calm down. Here na my territory. You no fit score for ya. If not only ya, you no fit score. You hear me? Calm down.
Under his right foot. Dead!
I tell you, he go walk. He walk. I tell you, say he go walk.
We are not serious. Thank you guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed it. Like, which kind of nonsense? Who they carry ladder come play ball for inside match? Which kind of nonsense be that? There you go. Guys, please make sure to check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Please make sure to check them out. And subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Please subscribe. Share my video, guys. And drop nice comments. See you in my next video, guys. Love and peace.